Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show how to bypass KG on Samsung S24 Ultra Bit 4. Latest 2025 security complete method will share on this video. First, connect phone in EDL mode and write these modified files. Or you can use Smart KG remove option in EDL model with TSM tool. After write these files, factory reset phone once. Now download and install TSM tool and open it. Open TSM tool and select your model. Click QR code generator. Then click TSM app. Then QR will show scan in your phone and enable ADB. By following these steps, after ADB enable, click yes in TSM tool and bypass process will start. Like this video and write a comment on below this video. Also share it if helpful with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Press bell icon for getting notification of my upcoming videos. Now being with video again. If you want to remove MDM, KG on Samsung phones, you can contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram. My WhatsApp number is 92308658360. Phone is successfully bypassed done. Now you can use it normally. Check out description link all required files which use in video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Press bell icon for getting notification of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.